G'day bird nerds, especially the new subscribers. Welcome along. Hey, there's a new episode of the podcast dropping today, but the interview's already in your feed. You've probably already seen it since you're so keen. Anyway, first seen and heard here from the northwestern suburbs of Melbourne. I always get that wrong. Northwestern suburbs of Melbourne in Australia, the unceded lands of the Wurundjeri people. My first heard was indeed probably that bird. Australian magpie. First seen something a little bit different, little raven. And they're actually calling in the distance, but I don't think you'll pick that up on the phone microphone. Well done. End of March. We're there. See you, bird nerds.